The kitchen is a space where creativity meets practicality, and having the right tools can make all the difference. One such tool that stands out in the world of culinary gadgets is the Braun MultiQuick 5 Vario Hand Blender. This device is not just a blender. It's a versatile kitchen companion that brings efficiency, power, and precision to your cooking. In this detailed review, we'll explore the features, performance, and benefits of the Braun MultiQuick 5 Vario Hand Blender, helping you determine if it's the right fit for your kitchen needs. The first thing you'll notice about the Braun MultiQuick 5 Vario is its sleek and ergonomic design. This hand blender is built with user comfort in mind. The handle is designed to fit comfortably in your hand, allowing for easy one-handed operation. The VarioSpeed technology offers 21 speed settings, which can be adjusted with a simple turn of a dial. This level of control is perfect for recipes that require precision, allowing you to blend ingredients to your desired consistency with ease. The build quality of the MultiQuick 5 Vario is impressive, featuring a durable 400-watt motor that is more than capable of handling tough ingredients. Whether you're blending soft fruits for a smoothie or pureeing hard vegetables for a soup, this blender is up to the task. The stainless steel blades are ultra-hard and durable, ensuring long-lasting performance. The blending shaft is uniquely designed with Braun's PowerBell technology. We'll delve into next. One of the standout features of the Braun MultiQuick 5 Vario is its PowerBell technology. This technology combines ultra-hard stainless steel blades with a unique bell-shaped blending shaft. The result is a powerful blending action that draws food inward, reducing suction and ensuring finer, smoother blends. This is particularly beneficial when making purees or soups where a smooth texture is essential. The bell shape of the blending shaft also plays a crucial role in reducing splashing, a common issue with hand blenders. With the MultiQuick 5 Vario, you can blend directly in your pot or bowl without worrying about making a mess. This not only saves you time on cleanup, but also makes the blending process more efficient and enjoyable. Precision is key in cooking, and the VarioSpeed technology in the Braun MultiQuick 5 Vario gives you just that. With 21 speed settings, you have the flexibility to choose the exact speed needed for your recipe. The speed dial is conveniently located on the top of the blender, allowing for easy one-handed operation. This is especially useful when you're multitasking in the kitchen, as you can adjust the speed on the fly without interrupting your workflow. In addition to the 21 speed settings, the MultiQuick 5 Vario also features a TurboBoost mode. This mode provides an extra burst of power, which is perfect for blending tougher ingredients like nuts or fibrous vegetables. The ability to switch between precise control and full power makes this blender incredibly versatile, catering to a wide range of culinary needs. One of the common frustrations with hand blenders is the potential for splashing, which can create a messy kitchen and waste ingredients. Braun has addressed this issue with its SplashControl Technology. The blending shaft's floral bell shape and the positioning of the blades inside the bell work together to virtually eliminate splashing. This means you can blend with confidence, knowing that your ingredients will stay in the pot or bowl where they belong. This technology is particularly useful when working with hot liquids, such as soups or sauces, where splashing can be not only messy but also dangerous. With the MultiQuick 5 Vario, you can blend hot ingredients directly in the pot without worrying about spills or splatters. The Braun MultiQuick 5 Vario is more than just a hand blender. It's a multifunctional kitchen tool thanks to the EasyClick Accessory System. This system allows you to easily switch between different attachments, transforming your hand blender into a variety of kitchen appliances. Whether you need to blend, chop, whisk, or crush, the MultiQuick 5 Vario has an attachment for the job. While the basic package includes the blending attachment, additional accessories are available separately, including a chopper, whisk, and a masher. These attachments are easy to attach and detach, making the MultiQuick 5 Vario incredibly versatile and convenient for all your kitchen needs. When it comes to performance, the Braun MultiQuick 5 Vario excels in every area. The 400-watt motor provides enough power to handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether you're making a creamy soup, a smooth puree, or a chunky salsa, This hand blender delivers consistent and reliable results every time. The 21-speed settings allow you to fine-tune the blending process, ensuring that you achieve the perfect texture for your recipe. TurboBoost mode is particularly useful for those tougher jobs, giving you the extra power needed to blend ingredients quickly and efficiently. The versatility of the MultiQuick 5 Vario is further enhanced by the EasyClick Accessory System. With the ability to switch between different attachments, you can use this hand blender for a wide range of tasks, from chopping vegetables to whisking eggs or even mashing potatoes. This makes the MultiQuick 5 Vario a valuable addition to any kitchen, offering multiple functionalities in one compact and easy-to-use device. One of the key advantages of the Braun MultiQuick 5 Vario is its ease of use. The ergonomic design, combined with the intuitive VarioSpeed dial, makes it simple to operate, even for those who are new to hand blenders. The one-handed operation allows you to blend while you multitask, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Cleaning is also a breeze with the MultiQuick 5 Vario. The blending shaft and other attachments are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. The SplashControl Technology also helps to keep your kitchen clean by minimizing splashes during blending, further reducing the amount of cleanup required. In conclusion, the Braun MultiQuick 5 Vario Hand Blender is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly kitchen tool that offers exceptional value for its price. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting out in the kitchen, this hand blender can handle a wide range of tasks with ease, from blending and chopping to whisking and mashing. The combination of PowerBell Technology, VarioSpeed control, and SplashControl Technology ensures that you get consistent, high-quality results every time. The EasyClick Accessory System adds even more versatility, allowing you to expand the functionality of the blender with a range of attachments. If you're looking for a hand blender that offers maximum control, power, and convenience, the Braun MultiQuick 5 Vario is an excellent choice. It's a reliable and durable kitchen companion that will make food preparation faster, easier, and more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.